Hi everyone, this is Emmy. Today I'm going to show you how to crochet another very easy summer lacy shawl. So let's get started. I post crochet videos on Tuesday and Friday and other videos in between. You can slow down your videos to a very slow speed by clicking on the gear icon below the video. You can find all my patterns in my Ravelry store, over 2,000 patterns, and many of them are free, or on Etsy. HectaFavorites is my shop name there, and I have approximately 700 patterns. I'm working with worsted weight yarn and a 9mm crochet hook. Start with a slip knot. Chain 46. Okay, I have chained 46. In the fourth stitch from the hook, 1, 2, 3, 4, make a double crochet. To make a double crochet, yarn around the hook, insert into the stitch, pick up the yarn and pull it through, pick up the yarn, pull it through 2, pick up the yarn, pull it through 2, and go ahead and make 1 double crochet in each stitch all the way across the row. Like that, all the way across the row. Okay, I've gone ahead and I've worked 1 double crochet in each stitch across the row, and I have 43 double crochet stitches. For the next row, chain 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Turn the work. That chain 4 is going to count as a double crochet and a chain 1 space. Yarn around the hook. Skip the next stitch, double crochet in the next. Chain 1. Skip the next stitch, double crochet in the next. Chain 1. Skip the next stitch, double crochet in the next. Like that. Repeat all the way across the row. Okay, I've gone ahead and I've worked all the way across the row, and I have 22 double crochet and I have 21 chain 1 spaces. For the next row, chain 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, and turn. And that's going to count as a double crochet in a chain 1 space. Yarn around the hook, double crochet in the next double crochet. So we're lining up our double crochets. Chain 1, skip that space, double crochet in the next double crochet. Chain 1, double crochet in the next double crochet. Like that. And you're going to repeat that all the way across the row. Okay, I worked all the way across the row. I've chained 1. For the last stitch, there's that turning chain 4. You're going to skip the first stitch of the chain 4 and double crochet in the second stitch of that chain 4. And I'm going to repeat that row. Chain 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. Turn the work. Double crochet in the next double crochet. Chain 1, double crochet in the next double crochet, chain 1, double crochet in the next double crochet, like that, and you're going to repeat all the way across the row. Okay, I've worked all the way across the row. There's my last stitch, and I still have to make one more stitch in this turning chain, so I'm going to chain 1. I'm going to skip that first stitch of the turning chain, and I'm going to double crochet in the second stitch of the turning chain. So I have 1 row of double crochet, and I have 3 rows of grid. And now I'm going to repeat this row of double crochet. So to do that, I'm going to chain 2, and I'm going to turn the work. And I'm going to double crochet in every stitch across the row. And that means that I will double crochet in the chain 1 space and in the double crochet. So yarn around the hook, go into that first chain 1 space, make a double crochet. Yarn around the hook, double crochet in the next double crochet. And repeat across the row. Double crochet in the chain 1 space and double crochet in the double crochet. In the chain 1 space and in the double crochet. You're going to repeat that across the row, all the way across the row. And to make this shawl, you're going to repeat this sequence of 1 row of double crochet and then 3 rows of grid. Like that. You're just going to repeat that sequence. 1 row of double crochet, 3 rows of grid. And you're just going to keep repeating that over and over until your shawl is approximately 60 inches for a long shawl. If you just want a short wrap around the shoulders shawl, you'll probably only need about 40 to 50 inches. And there you go. That's how easy it is to crochet this Lacy summer rectangle crochet shawl. I hope you enjoyed this video. Thanks for watching. Bye for now.